Did you know that 360 million people worldwide experience some form of hearing loss? That's more than 5% of the world's population. In the United States alone, hearing loss affects 1 in 10 and 3 in 10 over the age of 60. Age is the most common cause of hearing loss, but it can be caused by many other factors as well. Hearing loss is often gradual, and the effects are often not immediately obvious. Most often, a family member, friend, or loved one will notice the subtle change in behavior that signal there may be an issue, such as missing parts of conversations and a difficulty hearing in noisy places, or asking to turn the volume up on the TV or radio. Hearing loss is not like listening to sounds with the volume turned down. Instead, it's a difficulty understanding certain high-pitched sounds and consonants, especially in noisy environments. Does this sound familiar? You or someone you love may be experiencing hearing loss, but don't worry. There are several professionals dedicated to helping you determine if that's the case. The process is easy and straightforward, and you can choose to schedule a hearing exam with an audiologist, hearing instrument specialist, or an ear, nose, throat physician, also known as an ENT or otolaryngologist. An audiologist is a licensed healthcare professional trained to evaluate hearing loss and related problems, including tinnitus and balance disorder. A hearing instrument specialist works primarily with hearing aids. And an ENT is a medical doctor specializing in the diagnosis and treatment of the ear, nose, and throat, and offers medical and surgical treatments for certain types of hearing loss. Whichever professional you choose, know that you are in good hands. During your first appointment, the professional will perform a hearing test. This includes answering some simple questions about your hearing experiences, a physical exam of your ear canals, and a listening test, where you'll respond to different tones and speech samples. Throughout the hearing test, the hearing professional will get a good idea of sounds that you can hear and will recommend hearing aids, if appropriate. Modern hearing aids are a fraction of the size they once were, and full of new technology, like the ability to stream sound directly from a smartphone or mobile device. Hearing aids not only address hearing loss, but they also enable you to gauge at home and work in ways you weren't able to before. For more information or to find a professional near you, visit resound.com/find a professional.